The war over honey and whose honey is purer is intensifying as both Dabur India and Marico are filing complaints against each other at the Advertising Standards Council of India. Both sides are claiming that the other's claim over their honey being completely pure and passing the purity test is false. Now, what we are understanding is that Dabur India said that they will be filing a complaint against Marico's claim that their honey is pure. Well, we understand that the complaint will be filed today. But what did Dabur India say in their statement? Now remember, first of all, there are two tests that here we are talking about, apart from the FSSAI mandated test and a lot of other tests. But the main test that is being discussed is the NMR test, or the nuclear magnetic resonance test, which helps understand if there is any presence of sugar syrup in the honey, meaning if it has been adulterated to make it sweeter or not. The other test that is there, which is also important, is the SMR test, or the specific marker for rice syrup test. What Dabur India is saying basically is that they will be filing a complaint against Saffola's claims. They're saying that Saffola's sample from the market has failed the NMR test, and test reports clearly indicate presence of sugar syrup in Saffola honey. They're saying that the claim on NMR test is misleading the consumers. So that is the reason why they're filing it with the Advertising Standards Council of India, saying that they're advertising, saying that they're pure and the honey is pure, is in fact misleading. They've said that the FSSAI clarification on December 3 has clearly reinforced that the 22 mandatory tests, including specific tests like SMR, are the most stringent tests globally to detect the potential adulterants in sugar in honey. And Dabur has cleared all the 22 FSSAI mandated tests, including SMR tests, and that they also voluntarily undertake NMR tests periodically to ensure that our customers get 100% pure honey with no added sugar syrups or any adulterants. Now, what is Saffola saying in this regard? We also have a response from Marico. A Marico spokesperson has come ahead and said that they themselves, in fact, had gone ahead and filed a complaint on the 3rd of December with ASCI against Dabur India's claim that their honey has passed the German NMR test. Just to get a bit of context on this, in October as well, Marico had filed a complaint against Dabur's claims that their honey is pure and it has passed the NMR test. Now, this is the second complaint that has been filed on 3rd of December. This complaint came after the Center for Science and Environment put out a report saying that they tested 13 brands of honey, of which 10 failed the test. That companies that have failed the test in the CSE report include Dabur, Zandu, Patanjali, etc. And in fact, Dabur and Patanjali had come ahead and refuted the report. They had said that their honey is pure and it has passed all the tests. In that report, though, Saffola had passed the test according to the report. So after the report had come out, Dabur had put out an advertisement saying that that our honey is pure. It's possible that Marico, based on those claims, is going to ASCI, and they filed a complaint against Dabur on the 3rd of December. What Marico is also saying is that the complaint has been admitted by ASCI and has been taken on record for further hearing. Saffola, although they're claiming that they guarantee 100% purity of their honey, regardless of the packaging location, and that every batch of Saffola honey passes 60 plus tests, including the NMR test. And Saffola honey is also compliant with each of the quality parameters mandated by FSSAI. So of course, we'll have to see how ASCI takes this forward, since the complaint has been admitted by ASCI and it has been taken on record for further hearing. When they take Dabur's complaint as well on record for further hearing, we'll have to see how this proceeds forward, since the ball is now in ASCI's court.